Myrtle, back there.
What do you like, trains? You like trains?
Yeah. I'm a well fanner.
Huh?
I'm a well fanner. I'm a well fanner.
Me too.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
R32.
Huh?
R32.
Yeah. What, this one?
Mm-hmm.
It's a 38.
Uh-huh.
It's a 38.
No, it's 32. 38's retired.
No, when they got the ridges all the way up, the sides. What 38s?
Oh, this is 32.
It's a 32?
Mm-hmm. 38's different. And 38's retired back in 2009. No, R42?
Huh?
R42 is still running. It passed. I think that's
No,
the...
this is a 48.
This is
44, 42.
32. This is 32.
Huh?
That's the 32 and that's the 143 on the other side right there. That's the 143, this is the 132. It's raining, it's hard. It was sunny before.
You have the train simulator at home?
I have the almost 60E train, the almost 3286 train.
Huh?
Almost 3286 and almost E and the almost 60M train right there.
No, I'm saying you have the game.
What? The game?
Yeah,
No.
simulator.
I don't
have it.
I want to have one so bad, but I don't. I'm not going to Bay Parkway no more.
Huh?
I'm not going to Bay Parkway.
You used to store it at the yard.
Yeah, 20 out of yard. Oh, for 42, but the end of the D is the problem. The problem end of the D cars.
Yeah.
Almost 60s. There's another R32 right there.
Yeah, that's a 32.
Yeah. They're on the C line too.
Those are the OC trains.
Yeah. One more paper. It's going to Forest Hills today, Oh, you know.
Huh?
I'm going to Forest Hills today.
Yeah.
On weekends, it's Essex Street. It used to be Myrtle, but now it's Essex Street on the weekend.
But they're doing construction over there.
That's why I go to Myrtle, Essex Street.
Yeah.
No, that's the new weekend service now. That's the new weekend service since 2014. But it still terminates at Myrtle late nights.
Yeah. You just ride the train all day?
Yeah. And I go to school. Yeah, train school.
Huh?
Train school.
Oh, you go to train school?
No, I go to school and the train.
The train?
Yeah.
Myrtle Avenue. Broadway, running the end train, that's Broadway,
See,
What school you go to?
I'm driving currently by this train and the R train.